Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we'll see how to use SUMIF and SUMIFS formula to calculate the totals based on specific criteria in Excel. So here we have a data where we have region, product, sales amount and date, and we have to find the total sales amount based on the region. Any formula in Excel will start with an is equal to. The criteria range will be the region column. This region is our criteria. Range is the sales column. Let us lock the cells here so that when we drag down the formula it doesn't get pulled down. If we have more than one condition, we can use the SUMIFS formula. The first criteria is our sum range. The sum range is nothing but the sales column here. The first criteria range will be the regions column. Second criteria range will be the product column. Here we need to lock it. Now we have product wise and region wise sales. SUMIF and SUMIFS makes it easy to calculate totals based on specific conditions in your data. Thanks for watching. Try these functions on your own data and let me know how they help you with your reports. Thank you. Bye.